Oh, present one. Okay, I'm catching.
Oh, terceiro gol. Okay.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. The interest of Plateau. Lord has failed us, above should help us. The Lord has failed us, above should help us. The Lord has failed us, above should help us. The Lord has failed us, above should help us.
Otherwise, enough is enough.
Yes.
Plateau State, if he is no longer interested in governing us, we give him the free will to resign his appointment. As we know that we have competent hands, competent, passionate people on Plateau State that they will govern us. We are giving him this open letter that he should resign if he discover his competency cannot sustain him anymore.
Of course.
Am I right?
The reason why we are once again gathered in the premises of the Plateau State Assembly, sealed by His Excellency, that is Governor Simon Bako Lalong, is not a visitor, because he's the chief security of the state. So for whoever to say security have locked this place, we are not holding anybody than the governor. To tell the whole world that we will unlock this assembly, because we own the government. We employ Governor Simon Bako Lalong. He is our employee. We are, the citizens are the employers. We employ him, so he cannot dictate to us. He either dance to the interests of Plateau people, or we will remove him.
My position is, we are here this morning.
Okay, introduce
Yeah,
yourself.
my name is Eli. I'm
Your full
Eli.
name?
I'm Eli Thomas Pama.
Okay.
Yeah. This is our position. We are here this morning because we heard the speaker spoke this morning on China's television. We came down here because the House of Assembly has been sieged. We do not know who authorized that. So we want to know who give the security permission to do that. That's one. Secondly, we are not fighting with anybody, but we have been killed in a daily basis, every day in Plateau. Killing has been going on. We are fighting with nobody. Yeah, we don't fight, we are fighting with nobody. Who are we fighting with? But on a daily basis, people have been slaughtered like chickens, like people have been killed like mosquitoes. We are saying enough is enough.
Yes.
We will not take that.
Yes.
And any further attempt to impeach the speaker, we will not take it.
They are here, which is their constitutional right. Everybody has the right to come here and pick up planners, the placards that they want autonomy and anything. But all we want on the plateau is peace. We just want a better way. The legislature, the executive, we just want them to come together and profile a way for us to find peace.
Now, some of them were saying that there was